Welcome to this Robpod AI CoWorker tutorial. In this tutorial, we will develop a conversational pick and place application for Doosan Robotics. We will use Robpod Studio to create a custom AI project. Let's begin. Right-click on the project folder and select New AI CoWorker Project. Choose a name for the project and push Enter key. The AI project editor will open. An AI project is composed by a set of default actions and custom actions. Default actions are predefined simple tasks for which you don't need to provide an implementation. You just need to select which default action you want to include in your project. In this case, for our pick and place application, let's add save position and move to position default actions. We'll use these two actions for saving and moving the robot to named positions. Now we need to add custom actions to the project. Custom actions are used to provide specific application functions to the AI assistant. Let's start adding the Open Gripper action. Actions are defined as common robot functions. They have a name, input parameters, and implementation logic. Add a parameter to the Open Gripper action and call it width. We will use this parameter to control how much the gripper is open. Input parameters can have a default value which is used by the AI assistant if no value is prompted by the user. Very important step now. We need to specify the action description. The action description tells the AI assistant how to use the action and what will be its behavior and outcomes. So try to be very simple and clear with the description. Specify the meaning of each input parameters and units of measure where needed. Don't be too long and repetitive. Finally, we must provide the action implementation. You can code the action as a standard robot script using DRL language. In this case, we use analog output to control the width of the gripper. Okay, perfect. Now we need to add another action to control and close the gripper. Call it Close Gripper. Provide a simple and clear description. Finally, code the action using Doosan Robotics DRL scripting. Again, we use analog output to close the gripper. Perfect. We can now test these two actions using the AI assistant. Open Robpod AI CoWorker. Make sure that Robpod app is running on Doosan Robotics Teach Pendant. Connect Robpod Studio to the robot. Synchronize the AI project. This operation is very important to transfer the project file on the robot controller. On AI CoWorker, you can check which project is running. In this tutorial, we will use Mistral AI as robotics assistant. So choose it as AI provider. Then copy the MCP URL link. We will use it in a moment. Select Doosan Robotics and click on Connect. Now open Mistral AI. We need to add Robpod as a connector. Select Tools, Connectors. Add Connector. Custom MCP connector. Choose a name for the connector, then paste the MCP URL link. Click on the Connect button, and that's it. Now you can chat with your Doosan robot. For example, let's start asking the AI assistant to take control of the robot. On the Robot Teach Pendant, accept the notification and transfer control to the assistant. Then, ask the robot to turn on the servos. Now we can test our custom action. Ask the assistant to close the gripper. Now ask to open the gripper with a specified width. Perfect. Everything is working as expected. Now let's go back to Robpod Studio to complete our pick and place project. Add a new action and call it pick. Add an input parameter to the action and call it target. We will use this parameter to specify the pick position, so change the parameter type to Cartesian position. Also add another parameter for the approach distance, change its type to float and specify a default value. Finally, add also a parameter for the motion velocity. Now provide the action description. Make sure to specify the meaning of each parameter and its units. To complete the action, code the pick operation inside the DRL script editor. Now let's add one last action that will be used for the place operation. Also for the place action, add the input parameters. Target to define the Cartesian place position. Approach for the approach distance. And velocity for speed of motions. Provide a detailed description for the place action and its parameters. Finally, code the action in the script editor. Now everything is ready to test our pick and place application. Let's go back to Mistral AI to talk with the robot. Ask the robot to save the pick position. Then ask to save the place pose. Now assign the robot a more complex task with multiple steps and parameters. The AI assistant will determine the parameters and compose the correct sequence of actions to accomplish the requested operation. Thanks for following this tutorial. Now you have the basic skills to build more advanced AI projects and enhance a natural interaction between operators and robots.